Gonna show you a little problem I'm having here with this 95 F350 and then see if we can't get it fixed so we can tell you what our solution was. So the problem I'm having when you start the truck is that put my foot on the brake, I have no brake lights for one, so that's one symptom, and it will also not come out of gear. So doing some research on that, everything I'm finding is coming back to either a shift solenoid slash brake light fuse or the actual brake switch itself. So I've already checked all the fuses, they were all good. So I'm going to throw in this new brake switch. I'll show you guys that and we'll see if that's the fix. So here is the brake switch. It actually connects to the brake pedal. That's where it plugs in, clips onto the brake pedal rod there. And the one I got at least is that part number. Again, mine's a 1995. Not sure exactly what all years that part covers, but we'll get up underneath the dash here and see if we can get this thing swapped out. So down here, I just kind of want to show you guys where it is first. If I can get the camera back there. Let's see, right there. Right there. You can see the rod goes through it, and then it's got the electrical connected to it. So I'm going to get in there and get it all disconnected and swapped out. So pretty easy to get out. Basically, I've got this weird little cotter pin somebody put in there. I was able to grab that with pliers, pull that out, and then just kind of wiggle the brake pedal a little bit to kind of, you know, it goes through here, through this hole. So you kind of have to wiggle it off there a little bit, and then this little washer came off of that brake pedal rod as well when I wiggled everything loose. So now I'm just going to reverse order, plug the new one in, get it back up there, put my washer back in place, get everything all lined back up and push through these holes here, and then try to get this very strange cotter pin back in there, and if not, I might just get a regular one to put in there. Alright, I've got the new one all put in. Probably a total of a minute and a half, other than 5 minutes screwing with that goofy cotter pin. So if I just had a normal cotter pin, that would have been a, you know, like I said, a minute or two to repair here. Now, a moment of truth, we're going to see if that was the fix or not. So I'm going to fire it up. Put on the brake. I can put it in gear now. So that's awesome. So that part was $8 or $9, and like I said, at least for me, that was the fix. I saw other people online saying it could be a fuse, so you know, obviously check that first. But if you're having the same problem where your F150, F250, F350 Bronco won't come out of gear, you know, again, pretty cheap fix there for $8 or $9. It looked like all the auto parts stores locally here kept them in stock. So hope that helps somebody. Thanks. One more little workaround here in case somebody's watching this video and they're stranded. You know, obviously if you're sitting in a parking lot and they won't go out of gear or anything, you can actually turn the key just to that first detent. You know, you're not trying to crank the truck or anything, just turn it on almost to like accessory mode. At that point you can pull it out of gear, put it down into neutral, start the vehicle in neutral, and then from there you'll be able to go into reverse or drive. So there is a workaround if you're kind of, you know, stuck out and about and can't throw in a new brake switch at the moment.